Alright, July 27th, 2021. Tyler Hayes here, 2125. Southbounder coming in house. Check him out. This time. And 344. DPU! Brand new 3270 again! Last a bit already! Nailed his topper, Canadian National 302-516. And the terrain device is going! Nice! I gotta admit, I wasn't expecting a pass with that 3220 delayed for the M344 tonight, but why not? Not a bad pass. Coming to you from Ladysmith. I'll enjoy a little bit more action until I decide to call it night. But I gotta admit though, I'm sure pleased that I got the S773 from earlier. I had the 3101 to lead with -9 2630 second out, and the DPU of ES44 DC 2234. Now it may have proceeded on to Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, as the rest of the afternoon may have progressed. Hopefully it was a nice, safe trip up there. Took a keg amount before continuing on. Not a bad sight. The crossing for County Road G and P in the town of Grant here, south of Ladysmith, is currently closed for another round of repairs, because the last I know, the crossing had to have rubber placed on there and a new section of blacktop on a couple of sides. But now they're probably going to replace the rails that are underneath that. So that's why the crossing is going to be closed again. That will be at milepost 350.1. Almost another 3 miles from my location nearby, 353.02. So that will continue to be worked on until July 30th and wrap up around 5 p.m. or 1700. Also, I've witnessed that County Roads G and P are also getting new blacktop installed, because I see they did road work since the start of it yesterday, tearing out the old road, now throwing down the blacktop, so there will be no center line. They still got to complete the project yet, but I'm not sure how far they're going to do that, so we'll just have to see from there. So with that said, we'll hang tight for another several minutes and see if we'll have another one show up. But if not, I'll call it a night. So let's hang tight for now. Alright, 2206, last train for tonight. 563 is here. And there's a solo unit set out as well. 4 sand empties as well, and a center beam to bring it up. And the train device is going, and we'll do it here in Ladysmith. Taylor Hayes out.